Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your YouTube URL in just a few simple steps. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile. Next, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on View Channel. Now, tap on the pencil edit icon. Tap on Channel Handle. Here, your current channel handle will be shown. Now, type the channel handle you want to keep. It can be your name or your business name. I am writing my name, Nawazish. As you can see, this channel handle has already been taken, so I can't use it right now. So I'll add some numbers at the end of the name. Now it's accepted. Let me tell you an important note. Once you change the handle, you won't be able to change it again for 14 days. After writing the handle, tap the Save button below. My channel handle was updated immediately. It might take a little longer for yours. And that's it. How to change your YouTube URL. If this video helped, like this video, and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.